How to make money online as language teacher. What is iTalki? iTalki is a language learning platform that connects students and teachers. As a teacher, you come to this site to teach and make money online. As students, you come to this site to learn language online. There are two types of teachers on iTalki, which is community and professional. Community teacher, a native or near-native speaker that enjoys teaching informally, 18 years or older. Professional teacher is a native or near-native speaker who is professionally certified or experienced in teaching a language as a foreign or second language, 18 years or older. How much money does someone make teaching English on iTalki? Community English tutors on iTalki earn an average of $9.79 per hour. Professional English teachers on iTalki earn an average of $15.73 per hour. It is obvious that a professional teacher will make more money. Note that those are averages, so it is possible to earn more on iTalki. The highest hourly rate for a community English tutor on iTalki, minimum 100 lessons, is $25. A community tutor would do online video lessons with students and get paid by the hour. Note that iTalki takes a 15% commission on transactions between teachers and students, and teachers are also charged a small fee when they withdraw their earnings. Personally, I feel that students should not be paying commission. As for workload, it seems someone can teach as much or as little as you on iTalki so long as you can find enough students. The professional teacher can do 7 to 10 classes per day. What qualifications do you need to be a community English tutor on iTalki? You don't need any certification or qualifications to become a community English tutor on iTalki. All that's required is that you be a native or near-native English speaker that enjoys teaching informally. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.